Hey there, people. How's it going? What we're going to talk about today is the Sunny Bay Adhesive Body Heat Pads. Yeah, now if you're a hiker like I am and a runner, and I work out on a regular basis with weights, I'm very active with basketball and different things like that. But mostly when I take a break from hiking and then I go hiking after, say, being off of it for like a few months. Afterwards, I'm pretty sore, especially in my upper thighs and my calves, and sometimes even my back and shoulders. You know, anytime you're doing strenuous work that you haven't done for a long time, it's gonna get to you, and you need something. So what I use is the Sunny Bay Adhesive Body Heat Pad. Yeah, now it comes like this in a pad like this. Okay, what happens is you tear off this plastic. This is how you do it. You take off this plastic, and inside is a pad like this. Okay, and it has, it's very, very full of its chemical that is ready to go. Okay, now what you do is, per the instructions right here, you would peel this part off right here on both sides, both of these sides, and on this part is sticky. You see? It's very, very sticky. Not crazy, like crazy sticky, but enough to stick to your hands, right? Or your body part. It really, really is very adhesive right there. So you would take both of these pieces off, and then you would stick this on your sore area, like say your back, your shoulder, your calves, your thighs, anywhere, any muscle that is sore. Now, there is no reason to have to shake this or anything to get it going. I mean, you can to actually get the motion, get the actual stuff working, but you don't have to. It's as soon as you take that adhesive off and stick it where it needs to go, you will start feeling the effect of the heat coming through. It really, really works really, really well. I mean, it warms up that area immensely. I mean, it gets pretty hot. It makes you feel very good. The heat of this actually gets up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's pretty warm. It works up to 12 hours on that sore area. So you'd stick this on there and just let the heat just get into that muscle. I mean, you need some kind of heat on there to soothe it, relax it a bit. This really does it. It really does it well. And it's a good size too. It's not too small. And now what I like about this also is a lot of the other brands of heat pads or soothing agents that you put on your sore muscle have a kind of a not so good smell. When you open it or whatever, you can smell like menthol or something like that, and you have to just deal with that while you're getting the soothingness of the pad. This, you peel this back, or when you take it out of the pack or peel this back, you don't smell anything. No, you don't smell anything at all. It's really, really good, and I like that better than anything. When I first got these many years ago, it surprised me, because when I opened it, I really thought it was going to smell bad, real bad, like really strong, and I was just gonna have to deal with it because that was the history that I had with the other stuff. I didn't smell a thing. It's amazing. It's really, really good, and you just feel really warm. It is really nice how it feels, and it gets into that muscle. Yeah. So I really like it a lot. Like I said, I've been using this on my sore muscles for a very long time. It really works. Sunny Bay is really a good brand for this, and I'll continue to use it. All right. Well, this is Sunny Bay Pain Relief Heat Pads. Yeah. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.